Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what is the title for today's video? The title for today's video is The Alphabet in French. That means Les Alphabets au Français. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the alphabets in French and their pronunciation. The alphabets of the French language are same as the alphabet of the English language. The only difference is the difference in the pronunciation. For your help, I have written the pronunciation of the French alphabets in English and in Hindi. You have to just read and repeat with me for practice. So let us start the video. What is alphabet A called in French? The alphabet A is called A. Repeat with me. A. Very good. Alphabet B. 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 Repeat again. B. Very good. The alphabet C. Say. Say. Repeat again. Say. Very good. The alphabet D. Day. Day. Repeat again. Day. Very good. The alphabet E. A. A. Repeat again. A. Very good. The alphabet F. 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 Repeat again. F. Very good. The pronunciation of F letter is same in French and in English. Okay. Now alphabet G. J. J. Repeat again. J. Very good. Alphabet H. Ash. Ash. Repeat again. Ash. I. E. E. Repeat again. E. Very good. J. G. G. Repeat again. G. Very good. Alphabet K. Ka. Ka. Repeat again. Ka. Very good. The alphabet L. 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 The pronunciation of alphabet L is also same as the pronunciation of the alphabet L in English. Okay. M. M is also called M. M. Same like English. Okay. N. N is also called N. N. Same like English. Very good. The alphabet O. 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 Same like English. Okay. Alphabet P. Now here's the difference in P. P is called pay. Pay. Repeat again. Pay. Alphabet Q is called Q. Q. Same like English. R is called air. Repeat. Air. Repeat again. Air. Very good. The alphabet S is called S. S. Same like English. The alphabet T is called T. T. Repeat again. T. Very good. The alphabet U is called U. U. Repeat again. U. Very good. The alphabet V is called V. V. Repeat again. V. Very good. The alphabet W is called W. W. Repeat again. W. Very good. The alphabet X is called X. X. Very good. The alphabet Y is called Y. Y. Repeat again. Y. Very good. The alphabet Z is called Z. Z. Very good. I am repeating again. Please listen very carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you have learned the pronunciation of the alphabets and you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, so please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And also in the comment section, let me know what more topic you want I should make the video on. Okay, and also I have made the same video in Hindi. If anybody of you wants to watch the same video in Hindi, I will provide the link in the description box. So please go and watch. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.